Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Kia Rio with a key. First, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition cylinder. Next, turn the key clockwise to the ACK position, which powers accessories. Then, rotate it to the ON position, activating the dashboard lights. Finally, turn the key to the start position and hold it briefly until the engine fires up, then release it. If your Kia Rio isn't starting, don't worry. First, try wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key to unlock it. A common issue is a low car battery, so check its charge. Always ensure you are using the correct key for your specific vehicle. If the primary key fails, try your spare key, as it might be an issue with the key itself. For stubborn starts, try gently wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key to release any lock. Also, ensure you are pressing the brake pedal firmly, as some vehicles require this for starting. Listen for the fuel pump priming sound when you turn the key to the ON position. Its absence could indicate a problem. If issues persist, a professional mechanic can diagnose it. Maintaining your key and ignition system is simple. Keep your car key clean and dry to prevent damage to its internal components. Avoid using excessive force when turning the key, as this can wear down the ignition cylinder over time. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals. Also, regularly inspect your car's battery terminals for corrosion to ensure a strong connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.